Everybody, welcome back to your channel. It's your girl. Okay, let me get my life in order. Okay, all the time, y'all. Okay, guys, welcome back to your channel. So good to see you guys. As always, okay, you're sitting on the counter top right here, because over here to my left, I've already started working over here in the dining room. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the complete living room tour. She's done now. She's completely done. I've already began working over here because I couldn't resist something that I saw while completing this space over here. So I'm really excited to share with you the living room space. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the tour. If you're brand new here, because the camera is dropping down, like stop. If you're brand new here to this channel, okay, you're not going to cut my head off, honey. Like, no, stop it. Get over there. Y'all, look at my hair done started growing back already. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into the living room tour, because I know that's why you came here. I came real fast. It is a process, y'all. Like, it is truly a process and a labor of love, okay? Like, for real. For those of you that don't know, this is an apartment. I jumped ship with my house, left it with my kids, and got me a nice apartment, which is my bachelorette crib. So let me jump right into the living room tour. Once I tour each space individually, you guys, I will do a full like walkthrough of the space, just kind of show you the flow in case you're new here and you don't really know like what the flow is or whatever. You haven't watched any of the other videos, but you should go ahead and do those so you can get caught up. You know what I'm saying? All right, so that being said, let's jump into the living room tour, and I will see you guys actually in another video, as I stated in the tour video. Not sure which one it'll be as far as the rooms go, but I do have a couple other videos I need to film for you guys before I head back out over the road. Anyway, let's get started with the tour. Bye, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to be filming from a weird angle because I don't want you to see what is behind me over here in the dining room area because I've already started working on it. So I'm going to try and film this so that you can't see behind me. So I apologize for the lighting already. Those are daytime bulbs. I don't know why it's so yellowy in here. I don't know. So anyway, let's just get started. All right, so coming into the living room area, I'm just going to kind of pan around to the stuff you've already seen, really. And then I will tell you, look at that. Oh my God. I will tell you where everything is from. I know this camera is definitely not doing any justice. Okay. Like, it's not. Let me just get started over here. Okay. So going this way, front door, this is for everybody that's brand new here. Maybe this is your first time ever watching one of my videos. So here is the entryway right there. Is my office over there. So if you come around this way, okay, that is what you will see as far as the living room space. So coming into the living room, let me explain my thought process. So I wanted to definitely play with a lot of patterns, a lot of textures, and a lot of metals. My palette is very neutral, and I wanted to keep it that way, but I didn't want to compromise my glam side, you know, in doing so. So, let me just show you, and then I will come over here. So, I got a lot of fabric in this area right here with two big couches, and let me just try to show you just the couch. Okay, so that's what the couch looks like. Long couch there. And then over here, long couch, and then a chair. So I wanted to definitely break it up with using light, airy, mirrored stuff, because you guys know I love mirrored items. That's my way of bringing in the glam factor. So you guys have already seen this table, but if you're new here, this table is from Home Goods. And I've already shared kind of everything that's on the table, but I'll just kind of, you know, show you up close. Pillows, Home Goods probably, I guess, I don't know. That dragon, most people want to know where it's from. It is from Pier 1, and those mirrors are from Home Goods. So the new addition to the space, which is completing this living room space for me, is this piece right here. This is from Home Goods. I was so glad I didn't have to order it. It is in the color, it's like a grayish, like a weather, not really weather, but you see the edges, how the edges are. It's so, that to me is weather. But it's like a grayish, I don't know what color is coming off on this camera. It's looking kind of taupey, but it's not really taupe. It's like a gray color. Darker gray than the wall, of course, because the wall is gray. And in case you're wondering, that's Repose Gray by Sharon Williams. So on my new piece right here, I think this thing was like either $4.99 or $5.99. I can't remember. But it was around the same price as the ones I saw online, but I didn't have to order it, so I'm so glad. So starting in this corner right here, again, playing with the mixed metals and the different textures, I went with something, again, that you can see through to kind of break up the eye, but not actually overcrowd or, you know, overweight the space, I guess. So I went with this table with the marble top. And you would think with this table being like, you know, with the little wires right there, that it'd be lightweight. That slab of marble right there, I struggled getting that table in here, like by myself. That thing is heavy. And I think it was like $49.99 at Home Goods. And then, of course, I had to bring in some greenery, because why not? Greenery is so important. That is a faux plant, because your girl's a truck driver and she would never be here to order anything, so it'd be dead. So this was like $39.99 or $49.99, something like that. And it's just in this off-white, squarish kind of a vase there. Also from Home Goods, I grabbed up these items because, again, I am playing with texture and neutral. So I have some golds popping off. That's like a gold feather stand and whatnot. Look, the tag is still on it. Girl, oh, ratchet. Okay, so I got these blue and gold vases that I thought was so pretty. And I wanted to bring in a different, you know, shape and whatnot. So I got this little silver piece right here and a little cord cover thingamajig there. That vase, okay, so this feather, let's see how much it was. Since I got the price tag on it and all. This was $19.99, very cheap. I think this was either $9.99 or $7.99. Either $19.99 or $24.99, one of the two. Same thing, $19.99, $24.99, I can't remember. Then I got this little white and gold bowl here, just to bring in some of the white and the gold again. There's something silver, something gold, gold. And you remember I told you how to mix your metals, guys. You just have to sprinkle it throughout your space, okay? Just like dash it around to mix your metals, okay? And she is me, okay? That's me all day. Little egghead, you know, bald. You know, that's me. Another blue and gold vase right here. I wanted to mix up the shapes again. And I like grouping things in threes. Y'all know I'm very symmetrical. So again, I was playing with height. I needed to keep things kind of symmetrical on both sides of this piece. So if you look there, like she's giving the height, the feather's giving the height, then the two vases, and then the two gold accents bringing things together, basically. The table kind of disappears into the wall, but not really. Like you can still see it. Oh, yes. Okay, and then I got this lamp because I needed to spread some light over here on this side of the room as well. So it's from Home Goods, and it was only $59.99 or $69.99. One of the two. So the living room is complete. I have already started working behind me. I'm so excited. I want to show you guys so bad what's back there. You are going to die. Let me just say that. And again, the fabrics, curtains or whatever, I wanted to keep them light and airy. I showed them in another video. So I went with shears in the middle, some pattern curtains on the end. I hung them very high to the ceiling and let them drop down to the floor. Again, those are like 94 or 96 inches in height. So I wanted to give the illusion that that window over there is much bigger and wider and taller, even though it's not. And look at her. Ooh, girl. So, am I shaky? Hold up. I'm not, yeah, you're not on the tripod. I'm actually holding you. So let me go slow so you can really see. Now, for those of you that are new here, that's an 80-inch TV, okay? And I wanted a piece that was going to be longer than the TV. It's almost the exact same size. And although it looks very small here on this camera, the thing is really long like a Cadillac. Like, seriously. And it's so pretty. Oh my God, I'm in love with that. I'm just in love with this whole setup. So over here, let me just pan around for you real quick, just to show you what this looks like over here. Again, there's a little gold birdie because I like to just mix things up. I love gold and silver, so I don't want to be having to choose. So I just bring them both into the room. And that is how it looks, you guys. I can't go but so far over there. That's as far as I can go, y'all. You know, I like to keep the suspense building, okay? So, that being said, if you're not a family member here, maybe you should consider becoming one. And also clicking the bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I upload another video, which will be really, really soon. And, yeah. So, this is the living room, you guys. I'm done with this part. And I'm moving on across the way. Probably the next room I'm going to show you is probably either the other guest bedroom or my bedroom. One of the two. Because this behind me won't be done probably before. Because those two are basically done. I just have one more thing to get for my bedroom. And yeah, just one more thing. And then the other bedroom is actually done, so I could actually film that. But okay, you guys, so that's it on the room. If you have any questions about where anything is from, just ask, I guess. Furniture's from Ashley. Furniture. Just about all my decor is from Home Goods, okay? Counting those mirrors there. Home Goods, even though Hobby Lobby do carry them for double the price. Unless you use your 50%, I mean well, wait till they're 50% off, basically. And then I actually found another pair of these lamps at a local furniture store, and he was selling them for $100 a piece. And I was like, sir, I paid what, $49.99 for those at Home Goods? Like, stop it. Yeah, I was going to get them and put them over there, but I was like, nah, that's okay. I'll just go with this. I like the difference, and what's going on in this space. All right, guys, so that is it for this tour. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the tour and all that I have done here in the space. Hope you was able to take something from the living room tour, and just know that if you live in an apartment or a small space, you don't have to compromise your style, whatever your style may be, because you're in an apartment, honey. You can totally make it look like a house, which is what I was going for in this space. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if I achieved that. Hugs and kisses. Mwah! Love you guys to the moon and back. Everyone stay blessed, stay positive, stay prayed up. Don't let anybody dictate y'all mood. Do something good for yourself, and always do something good for somebody else. I'm about to have company. Bye.